How to verify phone number on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can verify phone number on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. You can either log into discord.com or the Discord application. Once you're logged in and you land on this page, now you have to navigate to your user settings. So from here you have to click on the user settings. Once you're on the user settings, under my account page, there you have an option to add phone number. If you have already added your phone number, you can remove your current phone number and then add a new phone number. If you have not added any of your phone number, there on the edit button you will have an option to add. So click on add, then provide your correct phone number that you have access to currently. After that, you will be prompted for the verification, where you will receive the verification code on your mobile number that you have provided. So check your SMS, there you will see the verification code, and then on the prompted screen on Discord, type the verification code, and if that's correct, you will be verified. Once you are verified, your phone number will be added into your Discord account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.